Hey, to customize lock screen on the POCO F6 Pro, first of all, you will have to go into the settings. Now you will have to scroll until you find wallpaper. And right now go for the lock style on the left upper corner. And as you can see right here, we can actually find the different lock styles. The different lock style. Let's say that I want to get the classic one. So I can click here to customize it. And I can change, for example, this data right here. So I can change, for example, font. When I click here, I can also change the color of the font. And I can here add some information. I can switch between the emergency call. I can show, for example, the temperature. Now right here I can change or show, for example, the pressure. And right here I can add my own custom lock screen text. And if I want to actually apply, I have to click down and now tap apply just right here. But before you do this, we can also add some filters. We can add this matte effect, and we can also change the wallpaper if we need to. If you finish, click apply in the right upper corner and it's finished. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.